Hey guys, it's Mark here with Rangeland RV Calgary, and today I've got something exciting to share with you. This is the 2023 Cardinal Red 28BH. This coach is coming in at about 36 feet overall length, 8,300 pounds dry weight, and a 1,400 pound hitch weight. I'll run you through the outside and then we'll go on inside and check out the family bunk model that it is. So up front here, you're gonna see that we do have our molded fiberglass cap with some really nice lighting. One of the cool parts that Cardinal Red has done is they've gone to, or they continue to do, sorry, is their vacuum bonded construction. So they're not sacrificing anything to make this trailer. It's still a hard wall, and we're still using that on all of our slide out walls as well. So if you come down here, what you're gonna see is that we've got our 20-pound propane tanks. And the nice part about that is you can go anywhere and get 20-pound tanks. Just beside that, we're gonna have our pass-through storage. And then as you can see here, you've got some stickers on the side. So one of the big talking points is the underbelly armor. So 4x8 ABS sheeting on the underside, which gives you easy access to the trailer and protects you from all road debris. You can also see that we've got our extended season camping package, which is going to be 12-volt heat pads, and we're also going to have forced air into the underbelly. We've got the nice triple step going up, the solid steps, oversized grab handle, and a 32-inch entry door. So if you're not banging your elbows when you're trying to get inside of the trailer. Coming down the side here, we've got some more windows looking out into your campsite. That is important. I like to mention that because nobody ever thinks about that. So campsite windows are a must on most trailers. On the back side here, you can see we've got our ladder prep as well. So if you want to go ahead and get a ladder, you can just mount it right there, and it gives you easy access to the roof. And then we've also got a large a large storage compartment on the back side. So with that being said, we'll go on inside and I'll show you some of the features on the inside of the trailer. Hey guys, so now that we're inside the trailer, I'm going to take you on a tour and show you around this beautiful bunkhouse model. So a couple key takeaways in this living area. You can already tell how spacious it is in here, with lots of overhead cabinetry and lots of counter space. Two of the biggest or most common things that I hear a customer wants out of a trailer: counter space, windows, overhead cabinetry, lots of that. So just to my left here, you're going to see that we do have our dinette. Cool little fun fact that Cardinal does is they actually include a game of cornhole with every trailer. So just below these cushions is going to be a game of cornhole that comes with the trailer. This also flips down into another bed. Just to my left here, we're going to have our tri-fold sofa that folds out into another bed. And then over that, we've got lots of overhead cabinetry. And you can see the fit and finish in here is really nice and well done. Again, lots of counter space right here. We've got our electric fireplace. We've got our TV. Down here, we're going to see that we do have a 3-burner cooktop. And then we've got a nice oven to go with that. Vented overhead fan, residential microwave, and then we've got our divided sink just up front there with a pull-down faucet. Over here, you're going to see we've got some more pantry space. Sorry. And we've got our 12-volt refrigerator. So a couple of takeaways with the new fridges that have just come out. These guys are about 60 to 65% better for cooling down the actual fridge itself. I know a lot of you guys have found that sometimes those 8 cubic foot gas electric fridges can take up to a day to cool down. We've had this trailer plugged in for about 2 hours, and I mean, that fridge is up to operating temperature fully, right? So there is a high efficiency setting mode on it. We've got more cubic foot per square inch in this fridge as well. They're easier to service, and they're easier to replace if you ever do have problems. And we're not cutting holes on the back side of the trailer. So some really awesome takeaways of that. Just back here, you're gonna see we do have our bunk room. So this is a 3 bunk bed bunk room with storage. So you've got enough space in here, even below this bottom bunk here, to throw all of the kids' shoes, all of your kids' clothes, and even other things if you like. Maybe all your beach supplies or something like that, right? So follow me up. We'll come up to the bedroom and the bathroom, and I'll show you around here. So if you want to take a peek in there, you'll notice that it is very spacious. We've got some storage still. You're not banging your knees when you're sitting on that toilet. Furnace vent in here as well. Storage underneath the sink, and a good size shower. What I love about this floor plan is they've still gone with a king bed with storage below that bed as well. So this does flip up. It's got the struts on there. You can put whatever kind of storage you want underneath the bed. And then we also have our overhead storage too. All right, guys, just to wrap things up here, this trailer's coming in at $67,990 plus GST with no additional fees or levies attached to that pricing. This is by far the best square foot per price that you can find on the market. If you guys liked what you've seen today, please visit us at www.rangelandrv.com or come down and visit us. I'm Mark, and thank you guys for watching.